Do you know that this money in your hand that you want to use to buy food, if you give it to me, I can give you times 20 of that money?
It is small Igbo.
Are you serious? So I'll take the money now. Take.
Are you playing? What type of plane is this?
There you go.
Chineke. Wow. Chineke. Wow. See, Oga, take back the money again. Help me to times it by 10 again. The one you gave me before, times it by 10 for me again.
You be mumu.
Hey, what's going on there? Oga, I saw what you did there. Come and collect my own money too and times it by 10 for me.
You see, you are a very wise man. You gave me 1,000. I gave you 10,000 back. Now the 10,000 I gave you, you have given me back so that I will give you 100,000. But you'll have to wait. Let me attend to other people. You see, other people are calling me. Not only you will succeed. Let us all succeed together. Okay? Let me go and attend to them. I'll come back and give you 100,000. Okay?
It is small Igbo.
Take my money. Take it. Take my boyfriend's money too. I saw what you did with that guy there. Country hard. Please help us to multiply it by 10. Oga, take the money.
You use your generation to play.
Take this money. I saw what you did with that guy. Help me to times it by 5. You understand? And give me my own too. Thank you very much. Country hard will take.
Oga, take my
money. Hey, wait, everybody. Hey,
take my money. Take. Oga, take my own. It's my turn. Take my own. Take my own.
Calm down, everybody. I will collect everybody's own. Calm down.
Take my own. Oga, Oga, give us. What's going on here? What's going on?
He has moved.
The man has disappeared.
Follow him. Follow him. Follow him. Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
See, the guy don't disappear.
With my biggest school fees, follow this man.
Everybody close your shop. Run after the guy. The guy fly inside the sky. He collected everybody's money in this market and now they look for him. Look for him everybody. Lock the store.
My son's school fees. Money that my daughter is supposed to go and use to learn trade. Oh God. What will I tell my landlord now? This guy disappeared with our money.
Pay me and they waiting with this.
God have mercy upon us.
Nigerians will never learn. You see them running around crying that I've stolen their money. You think that they will never invest in shady platforms again. They play. After I spend all this money, I will change my face, change my clothes, change my story, go back into that same market, collect their money with promise of high profit the very next day without them having to lift a finger. They will still fall. Nigerians don't like to learn. That is why they always learn the hard way, according to VDM. For you to earn, you first of all have to learn. They don't know. They just want easy money. Dump money on a project and the project will be paying you monthly for life. If now so easy, you go to see poor man for street. They will not learn. The smart ones will connect with Victor Isibor Reviews YouTube channel. They will subscribe and they will also join his WhatsApp channel and WhatsApp group for legitimate updates. But they will not listen. They want easy money. They want to become multi-billionaires overnight without learning or lifting a finger. They will learn and they will learn in the hard way. Trust me.
How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not